Hello everyone, this is Diễm. Today I will teach you how to make Genoise cake. The Genoise sponge cake is traditionally a Vietnamese cake called bánh bong. The cake is light, airy sponge cake with exceptionally delicate fine crumb in texture. And this recipe has been adapted for preparation in North America, where the type of flour differs from that found in Asia and Europe. To achieve this light and airy, fine tender crumbs require precise technique and ingredient selection, which I will show you how to do in this video. First, making the liner for the cake pan. This is 6-inch round cake pan. I trimmed the parchment paper to fit the cake pan and place it on the bottom, or use oil or butter spread evenly and sprinkle with flour set aside. Making the clarified butter also set aside. If you don't make clarified butter, you can use ghee. For the main ingredients, you will need eggs, or and egg yolk. Use room temperature eggs are a must. Sugar and flour, no baking agent is needed. To achieve the light cake texture, I use the cake flour, which contains lower gluten and cornstarch. And sift the flour and cornstarch together. Begin, combine the eggs and sugar with a pinch of salt and vanilla in a mixing bowl of a stand mixer. Whip the eggs with the white sugar until the mixture becomes thick, airy, and triple in volume, which typically require 10 to 15 minutes. When the butter reaches free-range stage, I add lemon juice to stabilize the whipped eggs and include water to prevent over drying. Continue to whip for a few more minutes. If the eggs are not whipped enough, the cake may turn out dense. When the butter is ready, I fold in the flour in 3 separate additions. Using a whisk to gently mix around the side, cut down in the middle, go around the bowl and up. Before putting in the clarified butter, set aside a small amount of batter mixed with clarified butter. Gently incorporate the butter mixture into the batter. If you're making this cake for the first time, leave out the butter. I divide the butter equally into 2 prepared cake pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. This is how the cake should be: beautiful, crumbs and soft and tender, and feel very light when you hold it. Allow the cake to cool before resampling the cake. Today I use lemon curd for the filling and French meringue to cover the cake. Slice the cake in half, drizzle with lemon syrup, spread lemon curd that is poured in whipping cream. Then cover the cake with French meringue and get ready to touch the meringue. And that's it. Can't wait to try it. Voila, simple and easy to make. I would never say no to this cake. Yum yum. I can eat this cake every day. For the detailed recipe, Genoise cake and lemon curds, I have it in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye.